Hello all, today I welcome you to the Oriflame Step 1 training. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for choosing an Oriflame as your career opportunity.
Thank you.
In this training today, we'll cover about advantages of being an Oriflame consultant, what product and portfolio we have and what catalog we have. We'll also talk about prospecting and finding leads and customers. Also, last but not the least, we'll talk about selling tools, methods and tips. So first let us talk about how it is to be an Oriflame consultant. When you become an Oriflame consultant, you get exposure to top quality Swedish product. Also, you'll find out fantastic earning opportunity with our success plan. You make new friends, travel the world with Oriflame, and also you get associated with largest European company selling direct. So, whenever you get associated with Oriflame, you have some benefits in terms of income opportunity. Some of it would be, you get immediate saving up to 20%. You'll be associated with Oriflame, so you'll have a company welcomes you 3 months and you get 12 options to choose from the product set. Also, you'll get the benefit of business class and super business class, in which you get the opportunity of getting a discount up to 40%. Also, you get the opportunity to earn a monthly PD in the form of performance discounts. So let's see how does this work. So if I talk about immediate profit, so let's say you bought this cream at the catalog price. So the catalog price of this product would be 2500, but since you are an Oriflame consultant, so you'll get 20% discount on this cream. So after getting 20% discount, the cost of this product would be 2000 rupees. So when you recommend this cream to 5 of your friends at the catalog price, you'll have the opportunity of earning 2500 rupees, which is a huge amount for a start. Okay, so how did you find the immediate profit?
It's
really
good.
nice.
It's nice.
It's nice? Yes. So now let's talk about our products. So we have the product with the best of nature, science and trends. We make product with the best of natural ingredients, keeping in mind the latest scientific technology and research and development. Also, we talk about the latest trends. So let's talk about nature. All our Oriflame products are sourced from nature. They are sourced naturally, organically and are preserved keeping in mind the natural ingredients and importance of these ingredients. Also, we take inspiration from nature in our products. In all our products, you'll find one major natural ingredient which is used. Also, we are a sustainable company. We focus on preserving the nature as well. So let's talk about science. All our products have research and development state-of-the-art facilities. All our products have been extensively researched before launching into the market. Also, we have almost 50 years of experience in the market for our product. We have state-of-the-art R&D facilities where we talk about latest innovation, technologies and new ingredients. Trends. We have hundreds of products launched every year in the catalog. Our products are inspired by latest trends. We have collaboration with top trendy and trend experts and beauty experts. We have outstanding product and wide portfolio suited for everyone of every age group and every class. So let's talk about skincare first in the products. We develop advanced product at different levels for all age group, specifically target at different skin problems. Do you know that we actually influence as much as 80% of your skin aging in our control? 80% of our skin aging problems are caused by our lifestyle and our daily routine that we have. At Oriflame, we believe in skin correction from the very beginning, targeting the basic issues we have in our skin on day-to-day basis and following a routine, which is also known as YES routine. Also, why to choose Oriflame skincare? Because yes.
Can you please explain me in detail what exactly youth enhancing routine is?
So at Oriflame we have youth enhancing routine where we focus on all around skincare from cleansing. This is called CTBEM. So here we start from cleansing, then toning. So first we clean the skin, then through the toner we close our open pores, then through the eye cream we cover our eye area, because eye area is one thing where the aging comes first. So with the eye cream we cover our eye area, aging problems. Then we use the booster, also known as serum in Oriflame product. As you can see in the set, we have the serum to boost the action of the cream that we are applying. And the last but not the least is the moisturization, where we close our skincare routine with the moisturizing in the day And in the night, we have the contouring cream, which is also known as the night cream. Why to choose a skincare, Oriflame skincare? Because we should also keep in mind that all our products have scientifically proven results. And also, our skincare is built with skincare experts. We have some top scientists working day and night for 50 years now, so that they can develop highly acclaimed skincare products. So we have different brands targeted at different skin problems. We have brands like Novage, which are advanced performing brands, which talk about skin correction and majorly early and later signs of aging. Also, we have Optimals, where we talk about the basic skincare issues and also the patented technology and performing skincare range. Also, we have Love Nature, which is very basic brand where we talk about just the moisturizing and cleaning part. So let me talk about the Novage Ecollagen. As you can see, Novage is one of the range. In Novage, we have 3 basic products. One is the Novage Bright Sublime, where we talk about basically skin lightening and also very early signs of aging. In Ecollagen, we cover lower to medium skin signs, where we talk about basic skin aging problems and also fine lines and also some lines which come in the later age parts. Third brand, which we call Ultimate Lift. In Ultimate Lift, we talk about the advanced skin sagging problems which we face in the later stages of our lives. So next we'll talk about Diamond Cellular Cream, which is also an advanced performing set, where we talk about it is formulated with Diamond Elixir and Eternal Beauty Complex. Diamond Elixir is this diamond dust that we use in our set of Diamond Cellular, and also Eternal Beauty Complex is a combination of state-of-the-art ingredients which increases cells' longevity, bringing back the skin its firmness and smoothing away any wrinkles that you have. It is also an advanced performing range and is clinically claimed 76% effectiveness on skin brightening. Since we have clinical claims, it is very easy to recommend the product to the customers, to our new prospects. So then we can talk about Optimals. Optimals is engineered with groundbreaking antioxidant lignin 50/50. If I talk about antioxidant help in skin revitalizing and also keep the skin problem free. We take 50% of the lignin fruit and 50% of the lignin berry, lignin fruit and lignin leaf. So we formulate the product in such a way so as to create a performing effect on the skin. It has been customized in a way to help the skin get antioxidants and also skin brightening, and also have a powerful impact on the skin. So far we have discussed about our product offerings and catalog offerings that we have at Oriflame. So let me ask you, how did you find the products?
It's really nice.
Really nice.
Very nice? Okay. So since we have so fantastic products, in equally we have fantastic sales tools for it. So we have a very beautiful printed skincare guide where we present the advanced performing category and brands. We have presentation of youth enhancing skincare routine. We have products according to the skin type and all the ranges, so targeted at specific skin problems. So also we have instructions for how to reach a recommendation by following questions, by taking questions, how do we take questions, how do we provide solution for a specific skin problem.
Sanchita, I have a question.
Yes.
As you said, we can recommend our products through our skin concern, but do we have any products related to our age group?
So at Oriflame, we not only provide basic skincare ranges, our skincare ranges are for all ages, specifically target at skin problems. So for age, no, we even provide a skincare ranges basis the skin problems that we are facing. So let's say for example, at the age of 35, you might be facing skin sagging because of the pollution that we have around, because of the atmospheric conditions, because of the lifestyle we are having. And at age 35 and age 45, 55 maybe, you might be having just fine lines. So the products will be, the recommendation will be basis the skin problem, not just the age.
Okay, thank you.
That's a very good question.
Thanks.
So now we'll talk about the color cosmetics. Color cosmetics are basically used for instantly getting beautiful, for instantly being beautiful. But at Oriflame, we just don't believe in instantly getting beautiful. We believe in highlighting the beautiful features that we have through our various assortment of color cosmetics. Color cosmetics, if I talk about, are easy to buy and very easy to recommend. If you give a catalog, let's say, to someone, the first page which the person will be interested in opening will be the color cosmetics, will be a lipstick, will be an eyeshadow, will be an eyeliner, or let's say will be a kajal. We have a widest portfolio. We have 200 new products launched every year, keeping in mind the latest trends. We have seasonable and giftable color cosmetics. Also, the color cosmetics is an impulse purchase. So let's say whenever you go to meet a customer, the customer might not take the skincare range as of now, but he might take a lipstick or a color cosmetic because it's an impulse purchase. So the color cosmetics are very easy to buy and are very easy to recommend. Also, we have 4 different types of color cosmetic brands on Oriflame. If I talk about luxury, perfection and sophistication, we have a premium brand also known as Jadani Gold. If I talk about fashion trends, innovative and expertise, we have the brand The One. If I talk about freshness, playfulness and originality, we have Very Me. And if I talk about just colors, it is Pure Color. So, if I talk about Pure Color is an affordable range that we have. We have widest level of entry level products in our color portfolio. Also, the main benefit of this range is it is affordable and it is very colorful. You will get all the colors for nail paints, for lipstick in the Pure Color range. We have Very Me. Very Me is targeted for young generation people and who wants to explore the different facets of life. Who wants to experiment. Very Me is slightly highly priced than the Pure Color, but again it is very affordable range for the young generation. Then if I talk about The One is a makeup brand that reflects every facet of you. It is high in fashion trend, latest in fashion trend, high performance product and easy to follow beauty advice. We have again different ranges in The One. One is high impact range where we talk about the impact of the makeup that you are putting on. Then we have Everyday Beauty. Everyday Beauty are the products that you can use on everyday basis on the daily routines. For example, working professionals who have to apply everyday makeup on their skin. Then we have long wear makeup. People who travel the most, people who are more who don't get time to put on makeup every time, they can use long wear. Then we have a premium range. The premium range which talks about luxury and sophistication. And for that we have range called Jadani Gold where we talk about sophistication, very high impact products, very nice colors, very high impacting makeup products starting from foundation to bronzing pearls to lipsticks, and then which talk about luxury and sophistication at the end. So these are the 4 makeup ranges. So let me ask you, how did you like the product? How did you like the variety of assortments that we have?
Amazing.
It's amazing. So now we'll find out how to apply makeup. I know that whenever you talk to a customer or whenever you talk to someone, people are not very well aware of the makeup that they have to apply or the correct procedure that they are applying. For that, the steps you can note down. First step is concealer, where we hide the basic problems that we have. Let's say we have a blemish, we have dark circle, we have some spot. So the concealer acts as a corrective, a corrective cream that you can apply on your skin to make the your dark circles and your dark spots hide. You can hide your dark spots and dark circles. Then you can apply foundation, where you make your face look even and toned. Then you can apply powder. The powder could be a compact powder or a loose powder. Compact powder would be for dry skin and loose powder will be for oily skin, so that you can seal your makeup, you can seal your base. And then you can apply blush for the contouring and highlighting of your cheekbones. So always and always, whenever you recommend makeup to someone, educate the person about the procedure, because correct procedure is very important whenever we are consulting someone for the product, makeup products and color cosmetics. And always, before applying makeup, use CTEBM model like we discussed before. Then eye makeup. eye is very important. Eye makeup is very important. Whenever you meet someone, the first thing which you notice in someone is someone's eyes and how nicely they have done the eye makeup. So eye makeup, you'll be amazed to know in fact that eye makeup, correct eye makeup also has set steps so that you can achieve high results. So step 1 is eyeshadow, where you define the color in your eyes. Eyeshadow will be according to the dress you are wearing and it highlights your eye. Then the eyeliner, where you define your eyes, make the outline of your eyes. With the help of eyeliner, you can either make your eyes in an artistic way or you can make your small eyes look big. Then you can apply mascara to define your eyelashes, and then you can use eyebrow definer to make your brows define and get the complete look of eye makeup. So last but not the least, we have, for a glamorous touch, we need to apply one thing, and which is lipstick. Ladies love lipsticks because instantly it gives color to your makeup. So you must be amazed that lipstick also has a step. Correct lip makeup also has certain steps. So step 1 is lip liner, where you define your lip shape. Also you can enhance your lips if you have a nice lip shape. So you can, with the help of lip liner, you can apply, you can define the shape. With the help of lipstick, you can fill in the colors whichever you want to use, basis the dress you are wearing. And then to get the extra gloss on your lip, to get the extra sheen on your lips, you can apply the lip gloss. So if I talk about the product, Wonder Lash Mascara, it's a very good product in the Dhawan range. The benefits of this Wonder Lash Mascara is it lengthens your lashes, it curls your lashes, it gives volume to the lashes and great separation and even coverage on the lashes. So you can use it on your lashes, you can give volume to your lashes using 5-in-1 Wonder Lash Mascara. It comes in the Dhawan range. Also, if you dream of sophistication and who appreciates the finer thing in life, you can always use the Jodani Gold. So let's say whenever you went to a person to meet the person and that person is very fine, has a high lifestyle and always uses the product which are very high on quality and high on impact. So which brand would you prefer to them?
Jodani Gold.
Yes, you would refer to them Jodani Gold because that's the highest impacting product makeup range that we have. So far we have discussed about the beautiful and wide assortments of color cosmetics that we have. But this is not over. We also have wide assortments in personal and hair care. Personal care, body care, bath and shower products are very important and form the daily essentials of everyday routine. So whenever you go to a customer, these are the essentials that a person may always be purchasing from the market. So it's a very high opportunity for you, very nice opportunity for you to recommend this product to the customer and get the orders. So let's talk about what all we have in personal and hair care. Next brand which we have is Milk and Honey. Milk and Honey is also a very natural product where we take the extracts of milk and organically sourced honey. Rich creamy blend of natural ingredients, organically sourced milk, honey extract, nourishing and provides instant softness to the skin and also leaves the skin luxurious and soft. So far we have discussed about the body range, about the basic bath and body range that we have. Now we'll talk about the fragrance section. Fragrance is a very important part in the entire personality. Which type of fragrance you will choose defines your entire personality, defines your entire mood. For example, let's say you are on a busy day and your day is not going very good. So let's say if you put on a nice fragrance, what your mood will be? Will it be uplifted?
Yes.
So fragrance plays a very nice and important part. Also, fragrance are a very good option for gifting. We can always gift a person the kind of the personality we have according to the perfume, according to the fragrance that the person can choose. In fragrance, we launch 60 new products every year. Our fragrances are created by famous perfumers, and since these are high BP products, we have high earning opportunities on these fragrances. Jodani Gold Essenza is a premium perfume, is a premium fragrance that we have. It has the highest diffusivity, it has highest long lastingness, it is the exclusive orange blossom note which is created by Oriflame. So this is one of the premium fragrance that we have in the brand of Jodani Gold. Now we'll talk about one of the most important part which is there in our lifestyle, however it is most ignored, which is our wellness. Oriflame not only covers the skincare makeup, it also covers the wellness. We talk about total beauty inside out. So for the inside, we have to take care of ourselves from inside, which we can do from wellness. In wellness, we have two types of product, basically NutriShake, and then we have Omega 3. Omega 3, as you all know, is very important ingredient, and the basic criticality about Omega 3 is it is not available in our diet that we take. So we have to take this externally in the form of tablets. And the best part about Oriflame Omega 3 is the fish oil is extracted from the Arctic region fishes, which is the most purest form of the fish oil that is available ever. So we extract the fish.
Okay, so
Yes.
Sanchita, the shake which we have are meal supplement or it's a meal replacement?
It's a meal supplement. We never ever ask the person to skip the food and take the shake. It's a milk supplement which you have to take with the type of meals that you take. But always you should keep in mind that never ever eat junk. Junk is very unhealthy for your body, very unhealthy for your wellness. So you should always accompany the NutriShake with the healthy diet. In wellness, we talk about 4 cornerstones of wellness. First is nutrition, where we talk about taking healthy diet. How many of you take 500 grams of fruits every day?
Not really.
Not really.
In the Wellness Academy, we talk about taking 500 grams of fruit every day. It is very essential for your wellness to take this much amount of fruits and vegetables every day. How many of you take high quality supplements?
Not really.
Not that we count.
Because you should always take high quality supplements, because there are a lot of nutrients, lot of energy, proteins which we cannot get in our diet. So for that we have to take high quality supplements. How many of you exercise daily? So that's a critical question, because we are very lazy in our lifestyles. So you have to have daily exercise routine, and you also always think positive, look positive, join fun clubs where you can talk about all around well-being of you. Get more energy, feel good about yourself, feel great about yourself, maintain weight, get the nutrients, and have quality time with you and your family. So at Oriflame, we talk about all around wellness. Also, to keep in mind that most of the time children these times are attracted to junk foods, and they don't get the appropriate nutrients that are there in their diet. So for that we have Omega 3 for kids in the syrup form, which you can give to kids to fulfill their requirements of omega in the early stages of life, because the form of the body, the form of the brain, foundation of the brain starts early ages, in the very early ages of your life. Also, if I talk about business with wellness, it is very easy to do business with wellness, because wellness is also a high BP product. So let's say you drink one wellness shake and also you recommend one wellness shake to your friend, you instantly get 100 BPs. So for a start, 100 BP is very important to get, but wellness makes your order very easy.
Sanchita, I have a question. Can children also take the wellness shakes?
Above 13 years of age, you can recommend shakes to anyone and everyone. More knowledge you can get in the Wellness Academy. So beauty knowledge you can take in the Beauty Academy, Wellness Academy, Oriflame website, catalog launches, official pages in the social media, and also beauty website that we have. So now let's talk about find customers. Till now we have covered the skincare ranges, the makeup ranges, and the wellness range of Oriflame. So now, since you know the basic knowledge about the Oriflame product and offerings, we'll talk about how to find customers. So finding customers is very easy. When you convert beauty into your business, you own a successful business and indulge in life's extra luxuries. You can earn up to 25% profit on customer order. Oriflame provides you a name bank. We all have our inner circle, which are our close family, relatives and friends, and outer circles, which are neighbors, our colleagues. Some of them we know by name, some of them we know by face. So this makes our total contact list, inner circle and outer circle. In the name bank, you can write down all the contacts that you have and to whom of those contacts you can share catalog. So let's do an exercise. write down name of 5 contacts to whom you think you can share catalog by this evening. So this is how you'll make your name bank. You'll write the name, you'll write the contact person, and whenever you need a new customer, you can always revisit this name bank and find out a prospect and fix up a meeting. So Oriflame helps you in finding out the name bank for you. Then you can always extend your name bank. Whenever you meet a person, you can always share the beautiful catalog with the customer. Continue to build your name bank by always asking everyone how many referrals that they know. Do they know anyone else who must be interested in the color cosmetics? Do they know anyone who must be interested in wellness? Do they know anyone else who must be interested in the beautiful skincare range that we have? So you can always and always ask for referrals. So now we have made our name bank, we know whom to call and whom to fix up meeting. So let's say you have fixed a meeting with one of your prospects. How to prepare to meet with the customer? There are few basic guidelines that you must follow. You should always check your personal appearance. After all, you are representing a beauty company. So you should always look beautiful. You should always look well groomed before you go to meet a customer. You should organize your bag. You should have catalog. You should have skincare guide. You should have color cosmetic guide. Make it convenient for your customers. Have a warm and friendly environment. Keep some products for test and try. And always keep these things in mind before fixing up a meeting with the customer and going for a meeting with the customer. Now, since we have talked about the basic tools that we should always carry before prospecting and before meeting our customers, now we will talk about what selling methods that we have in Oriflame. So, the first selling method and the first and the most important selling method is showing the catalog. So, every month you have this beautiful catalog with you. With the help of this, you can always show the product and recommend the product to your friend and your network. So, these are the products. You can always recommend the product basis the taste, basis the preferences of the customer, of the prospect. Show the skincare routine. You can always sell wellness and you can always sell online. These days people are getting digital. More and more people are active on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Instagram. You can always connect with them instantly, show them the e-catalog, and then you can start your business with them through online. And online is very easy and very less time taking. So, how to show the catalog and how to generate business by showing the catalog. Every month we have beautiful new products in the catalog, we have great inspiration, we have beautiful stories, beautiful expert recommendation and beauty tips. Whenever you show the catalog to the customer, always and always stress on these 3 things: products, great offers and inspiration. Product stories, expert recommendation and beauty tips. You should always and always test and try the product before recommending it to your friend or your prospect. Find out what is focus in the catalog. Is it that lipstick? Is it that nail paint? Is it that beautiful skincare set which is in the focus in the catalog, which is available at high discount? One catalog, 3-4 viewers, 2 consumers. But whenever we have more number of catalogs, we'll always have 30-40 viewers, and out of that maximum customers. So always and always invest in these catalog. These catalog are your window to your business. This catalog, this is your shop where you show the product and attract the prospect to buy the product. So you should always and always invest in the catalog. How many people can visit your shop if you only have one catalog? How many people you'll be able to recommend products to if you have just one catalog? So always and always invest largely in catalog and you'll get the results. Also, distribute catalogs. Move the catalog. You can show the catalog to your work and your friends. So now we'll talk about one important model that we have in Oriflame, which is known as Dama model, where we talk about how to recommend the product to the prospect that we are meeting. So first of all, we try to define the needs and the preferences of the customer from the customer. So we'll try to find out the basic problems that the customer is having, and we'll try to define the product that he wants to use, the problems that he is having either in the color cosmetics or the skincare range. Next, we'll get a yes from the customer. We'll try to get a yes from the customer by understanding the needs, the requirements, the wants of the prospect. Then we'll match the problems of the prospect with our products that we are having. And then last but not the least, we'll try to get a yes from the customer by providing a short solution to the problem that he is having. So let me ask you, say if I'm meeting a prospect, I will ask him, what cosmetic products are you looking for today? Are you looking for a moisturizing day cream for yourself, and do you need a gift idea? Let me recommend you. And then again, so you want to order, could I also recommend you? So these are some phrases that you can use while using this model and then effectively selling the product to the prospect. You have the fantabulous opportunity of additional sales. So let's say you are selling a lipstick to one of the customer. With the lipstick, what you can also sell is a lip liner. With the lipstick and a lip liner set, what also you can recommend is a lip gloss. So this makes the entire set for the customer, which is effective for use, and also it will increase the sales of your business. After sales service is also very important. In this time, it's not about selling the product and going back home. It's also about how well is your after sales service. Always thank the customer and note the order. Clarify the amount to be paid so that there is no confusion. Agree when you will deliver the order. Always keep the expectations of your customers very clear. When can he expect the delivery of the product? And ask for reference. Who is the other person that you know who will be interested in skincare? Always and always ask for referrals. This will be very important to generate more and more business. So the next selling method is showing the skincare routine and then the catalog. Whenever you sell a solution to customer need, you not just sell a product, you sell a solution. You earn more money and get you happy and loyal customers. Also, whenever you show a skincare routine, you educate the customer the entire benefits of the product and showing the customer the right way of using the product. From selling a solution to offering a solution, it provides consumers the best results and best value. As a consultant, you can earn high, you'll get loyal customers who will come back to you again and again, and you get also new segment of customers. One-to-one meetings. One-to-one meetings are very important in our business. One-to-one meetings are customized. You can show the Oriflame's youth enhancing routine. You can share your own experience. You can recommend a brand, explain the benefits, and you can always sell the set. Skincare session. In the skincare session, you can tell about the product in the elaborate form. You can do group selling. You can also introduce the earning opportunity. It's a professional way to talk about customer needs. You can always include social and fun activity, and in the less time, you'll be able to cater a lot of new prospects and more profit. So whenever you close the skincare session, you can always ask questions. The more the question you ask, the more you are clear about the problem of your prospect. You can recommend the right no-wage range, the right product range. You can sell a skincare set accordingly. You can give her a catalog, you can give her referrals, and you can invite her to the next beauty session or the next opportunity meeting. Also, we have a fabulous next method, which is online. Like I said before, most of the people are online nowadays. Most of the people are active on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So you have the fantastic opportunity of meeting new people every day through online method. You can send the e-catalog via social media, via link, and you can always maintain communication through them hassle-free and in no time. You can sell using e-catalog by creating a personal URL. You can send the link or you can approve also orders. Some online selling tips for you guys. You can always meet new people online. Isn't it interesting to know that you can meet hundreds and thousands of customers in a day by just clicking on a single button? Would you be interested in the more online selling tips?
Yes, of course.
So let me tell you, just be active on online every day. Be active on any social media platform on which you are comfortable. organize new online catalog launches, communicate with customers once per catalog. So, this will make your business easy, fast and easy to use and easy to handle. Always and always, whenever you start a business, you will have some objections like, I haven't got time at the moment, I cannot afford anything this month. These are the objections are a signal that the potential customer is interested to learn more. Always and always handle objections positively and follow up. Follow up is very important. Meeting new people is easy, but following up with them, keeping a track of them, keeping the track of their requirements is very essential. Call after 2-3 days after delivering products on how did they like the product. Invite to visit catalog launches, beauty session and ask referrals from them again and again. So, there are some golden rules for successful selling. Do you want to become successful in Oriflame?
Yes, of course.
So, there are some golden rules in successful selling. Talk to always 3 new people every day. Never decide for the customer by the appearance, by the looks. A person may not be very good looking, but he might become a very good business person. So, never ever decide for the customer. Share your own experience and always be warm and friendly. Oriflame is a people's business. We always try to create a warm and friendly environment whenever we try to talk to our prospect. So, if you will keep these golden rules in mind, you will always be successful in Oriflame. For next step during this catalog, you can attend wellness routine, wellness session, beauty academy, wellness academy, and you can talk to 3 new people per day about Oriflame and make sure that you recommend these products for their skin, for their wellness, for their makeup, and you can attend your own leaders events and trainings and get to know the latest product launches and the latest product learnings. Now, you can turn your business into a beautiful career. You must attend a step 2 training where you'll get to know how to start your business and how you can earn income. For that, you must attend a step 2 training. This session ends now. Thank you so much for your patience.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you. It was really
And I really hope this session will be beneficial for you in your future prospect meeting.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.